Hey guys, it's me, Ava, and today I'm going to be reviewing all of my slime and squishies. Normal. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so first, we're going to start off with the squishies. Sorry if I'm looking in the wrong place because I'm filming on my phone. Okay, so first we got the Galaxy Crew. We got the Galaxy Reindeer. It's a girl because there's a bow. We have a Galaxy Boop. His eyes closing. Looks really pretty. Bottom. We got a Galaxy Panda. It has this weird thing in his face. Look, when the whole squishy's up, there's a hole. That's fair. Okay, that's all for the Galaxy Crew. Now we're going to go into the Panda Buns. We got a pink Panda Bun. That's my brother just watching YouTube over there. I got a blue Panda Bun. And I got a normal white Panda Bun, but it's a keychain. And now we're going on to, this is a little bread. If you hear that noise, it's my brother. Just don't worry about it. So we got this bread squishy with chocolate dips. Then we got a unicorn cake. It's like ocean themes, kind of. But then it's a unicorn cake, and the alien eyes just mess up the whole thing. Okay, next we got a big fat depressed unicorn with a nice colorful mane and then two colored tail. Teeny feet, teeny horn, teeny ears. Yeah. Now, this we got a unicorn. Blue eyes, very plain, rips, one colored mane, and a yellow horn. That's lame. Last, for the squishies, we got the narwhal couple. The pink narwhal who lost an arm. Missing almost about ripping tail. And broken keychain part. So, yeah. Then we got a blue narwhal with this keychain thing. This is so annoying. A gray horn. They have hurt bellies. And nothing else is really wrong with him. Just really squishy. Yeah. Okay. Now we're going to do like slimes and putty, like connect stand and all those types of stuff. So I did this slime kit and it turned out hard. So I added some cream and it did not make it better. It's certainly ugly. You know how it looked really thick, but look, it's really sticky. I don't like it. This one, like, it's not, it says it's supposed to be pink. It's purple. So I don't like that one. It was a fail. Don't buy So Slime DIY. Backward vibes. So Slime DIY. Okay, then we got some putty. It's putty, but it's not in there. It's this putty. Oh god, it's really stringy. Good. Now we got a Pepsi. Oh my gosh. Good. Set. Smelling popcorn. Measuring cup. Green by green. So this is some of the slime. There's more in the other thing. Like. There. There you go. Camera went focus. We got this really hard purple slime I made at my neighbor's house, and it's so hard. weird reason there. That just fell out. Now that's really weird. Alright, so we don't need to know about that. We got another hard slime. Why we got hard slime? These are a lot of fails. It's like it's a really pretty color, and then but it's like not stretchy. My cousins did something to it. Oh my gosh. Next, oh here, this one. So, next we got a pink slime. A slime kit. It's really pretty. The containers didn't have lids to it, so I just put it in this big container. Yeah, I guess that one before. Couldn't cut it. Okay. We got some kinetic sand. And then this one. And my mom's blowing up a balloon. This is the rest of the pink sea slime. Stop.
Stop talking about balloons. I'm showing my balloon.
Don't. Stop blowing it. Now
Hey, that's my balloon.
it's green.
Could you pass it over to me?
So my it's a piano.
Play volleyball.
And they're playing volleyball with the balloon now. I am not going to show them because
Ah!
they are very camera shy. Okay, that's a good one. It's kind of sticky though. So. And then some Play-Doh, pink Play-Doh. Oh my gosh.
Around.
And this is one of my favorite slime. It's a white slime. Hold on. You guys don't know how pretty it is. And it's like really stretchy. I've been playing this before this video. Now there's green in it because I got slime. Perfect. Here. I'll show you some slimy features. Hold on. Hold on.